All right, my friends, we're going to do a click test, I guess is what I'm going to call this. And it is on 4 knives here. We're going to see what they sound like when they're deployed and when they lock up. And just see how it sounds. We'll see how it sounds when the blade is cradled. And we'll see what it sounds like when we do a slow deployment. So here we go. Yeah, let's start with the Ruike P801. Frame lock. The Land 912. Whoops. Slow deployment. Frame lock. We have the Ganzo FH11. Liner lock. And there's really no way you can slow deploy this knife. There's no thumb stud to, deploy it kind of slow and around. So it's really just a 100% flipper. And yeah, so there's how that one sounds. And then lastly, we have the Land 911 liner lock. Yeah, I don't know. That's how they all sound. They're kind of different. They're unique in their own ways. Maybe that's kind of a interesting, weird thing to like take note of. But I don't know. They're just different. It's something that I notice. I like the frame lock. The way that the 912 feels. It's a lot like the Sabenza. It just sounds really good, both when you're locking it up and then dropping it back into the cradled position there. A nice little click. It's just so solid feeling. It's just very good. That's probably my favorite, I think, of the different knives. The Land 911 is super fast deployment, very easy, no break-in, just very, very fast, very, very easy when you do it right. And but it doesn't have that ka-thunk like the 912 does. The Ruike is much more, it's got kind of a swish sound to it. I don't know if you can really hear that. But still has a nice sound to it, very nice lockup, very solid. So it's very, very good. The Ganzo is kind of the unique one out of the bunch. Super, super smooth. So it's really nice too in its own way. So there you go, guys. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Appreciate it. Catch you the next time.